Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to introduce you a piece that effortlessly combines art and functionality from IKEA. The IKEA RAFFELBJÖRK Vase in a stunning mother of pearl finish. It comes with two sizes, 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. For 12 centimeter or approximately 4.5 inch in height with a diameter of 6 centimeter and a length of 14 centimeter, it perfect for displaying your favorite flower or as a standalone glass sculpture. Designed by Lisa Hilland, this vase draws inspiration from rainbows, featuring a flowing, playful shape complemented by a shimmering grooved pattern that enhances its iridescent finish. Its versatile design allows it to seamlessly blend into various home decors, adding a touch of elegance wherever it's placed. Priced at rupees 1290, which is approximately 15 USD, it offers affordable luxury for your home. By incorporating the vase into your space, you are not just adding a functional item but a piece of art that elevates your interior aesthetics. Enhance your living space with this piece of vase from IKEA. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video like this. See you next time.